also have lots of farm animals.
On and at the farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm we had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. May, at the bay made, may, on and at the farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Vegetables, vegetables, I am selling vegetables, in green vegetables, healthy vegetables. Children, I am the vegetable vendor. I am selling vegetables. Do you know where I got all these healthy vegetables? I bought all these healthy vegetables from the farmer.
Hi friends, I am a farmer. Agriculture is backbone of India. I grow vegetables, paddy, don't waste food. Support farmers. Thank you. About farmer harvest fruits and vegetables. After harvesting, he gives to supermarket. Hello everyone, my name is Sister Visma, and Sister Visma is going to tell you about fruits and vegetables. Here have we guavas, lemons, papayas and bananas. This is lemon. Lemon is so sweet and yummy, but it's so sour too. Hi everyone, I am farmer. I grow fruits, vegetables, pillars, and rice. Also, take care of farm animals. So, no waste food. Farmers, I am an ordinary person. I have so many vegetables and fruits. Brinjal.
How much is it? 5 rupees or 10 rupees?
10 rupees. Hello everyone, this is Meeting of Finance. I'm good for digestion. Indian flower for strong bones. Statue. This is very good for eyes. Don't waste food. My name is Ram. Like tomato. Tomato is sour. Tomato is sweet. Tomato is good for heart.
Children, I would like to share a message to you. I work really hard day and night to bring all this food to your plate. So kindly don't waste your food.
Niravraj, I thank the farmer to give my favorite food, broccolis and carrots. I thank the farmer to do that. So I like it.